Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Ps4 down fully and unplugging power and HDMI to avoid shorts. This protects both you and the console. Once done, remove disks and USB drives so nothing interferes. Boot into safe mode by holding the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear the second beep. This gives you low-level access to repair options. Make sure you've backed up any important saves to USB or cloud before continuing, because some steps can erase data. Now you perform the more complex fixes. First, choose Rebuild Database in safe mode. This reorganizes files and often eliminates freezes or slowdowns. If problems continue, initialize Ps4 will reinstall system software. Make sure you backed up saves and have a USB with the latest firmware. For hardware issues like overheating, remove the outer case, clean dust from the fan and heatsink, and reapply thermal paste if temperatures stay high. These fixes restore thermal performance and prevent throttling or shut. To finish, reassemble the system carefully, reconnect power and HDMI, and turn it on to verify normal boot and controller pairing. Once running, restore saved games from USB or cloud and update the system software to the latest version to prevent software regressions. If the console still fails to boot or shows errors, swap in a known good HDD or SSD to isolate storage faults. If symptoms persist after these checks, that's a clear sign to seek professional repair or Sony service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.